Oh no, what's that? It's like a red grid and a water drop. Better let me go and find out. I checked with my parents and my dad said this symbol means we need to change the filter. The filter means the filter inside the fridge that purifies the water. This is the filter, so we need to replace this with the new one. To open this, we need to... Oh. Now we're going to fix the new one here. This is the new one, and this one I'm going to replace this one. So we're going to place the water filter. So we keep it like this position. So push it a little bit and rotate. That's it. First we remove 2 gallons of water and then drink it. That's healthier. So you already changed the filter, right? But it's still coming the red grid and the red raindrop. So how to get away from that is we hold with our thumb, we hold 3 seconds for filter red. 1, 2, see? It's gone. See, this is how we can do small things and help our parents. Bye everyone. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please share, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell. Ding, ding. Bye.